great to have you with us today.
Thank you.
Can you please tell our audience your name and your background a bit?
My name's Gino. I'm in from Hong Kong, and then I'm a associate professor at a university in Hong Kong. And then we do things in entrepreneurship, and I do a lot of advisory on the blockchain space. And then I'm a venture partner with Plutus, which is a fund out of Hong Kong.
Okay. So you had a talk today,
Panel
panel talk today. So how did it go?
Yeah, I thought it went pretty well. It was a bit of a mixed panel, but the focus is on kind of technology and future technology, especially given the problems of the world today, looking at a lot of the diverse new technologies that are coming out and how we can really do something to make a difference in terms of how things are running today. Especially here we are in Dubai, so close to a lot of unrest, and then Africa in terms of poverty and everything. There's a lot that can be done with new technologies to help alleviate suffering and to help really re-look at how we do things globally. And so if you look at a lot of the mindset right now is still predominantly from the West. But I guess with you guys, like from India and from the Middle East, it's a very different perspective of the world, which is more kind of focused on the inner journey, especially being in Asia. The inner journey is the primary journey versus the primary reality, whereas in the West, the material world is the primary reality. And so I think we're kind of very materialistic these days, and how do we kind of balance that with the Eastern perspective and the Middle Eastern perspective? And so I think there are huge opportunities in that space related to new technologies. So in the panel, I talked a little bit about transformative technologies. So now really understanding the mind-body relationship and how with interactive media, we can create experiences that engage the mind, that by seeing the conscious decisions someone makes and how the physiology responds, their heart rate, skin response, etc., we can understand a person's worldview and help a person understand their relationship between their thoughts and beliefs and how the body feels. And there are huge potentials in these areas for the future.
And how pivotal do you think Global Blockchain Foundation is in the blockchain ecosystem?
Well, right now, I think one of the things that they're doing is they've been doing a lot in Asia. And whereas a lot of other events are really mainly about raising funding and really about on the money side, I think the interesting thing about the Global Blockchain Foundation is they're bringing together governments. They're looking at other issues like the future of technology. They're looking at nonprofits, and in addition, and so it's really they're really trying to look at the whole ecosystem. And then so far, if you look at Singapore, I think they've been in ASEAN, Korea, and then now in the Middle East, they're really trying to look at these areas that are kind of less served.
Thanks a lot for your time.
It's actually very great. Thanks.